Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to know who visits your TikTok profile on iPhone. For example, if you want to see who has visited your TikTok profile and you want to know about how many visitors are coming on your TikTok profile, so how you can see that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply open the App Store here. And in App Store, you have to simply search for the TikTok. And here, you have to simply make sure that it is not showing any kind of update. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the TikTok. And after updating the TikTok, what you have to do next is you have to simply open the TikTok app here. And after opening, you have to simply click on your profile, and here you can simply find that icon here. So here you have to simply click on that. If you click on here, then you can simply see that there are visitors shown. People who viewed your profile in past 30 days will appear here. Only you can see this, which means if anyone views your profile, then there will be shown their profile, and you can simply check who visits your profile. And after that, you can simply check the number of visitors before the 30 days. But you have to make sure that you check before 30 days. Otherwise, they will be disappear from here. So if you want to change the setting for that, you have to simply click on that. And after that, you can simply turn this off. And if you turn this off, you will not be shown who visits your TikTok profile. So if you want to see, then you can simply turn on who profile views. So after that, you will be able to see that. So in this way, you can simply see TikTok profile. Moreover, there is also another method, which is as that you have to simply go to settings and privacy, and after that you have to simply convert your account to business account. And after that, you can simply get the detailed data of the person who visits your TikTok profile. So in this way, you can simply check the data of who visits your TikTok profile on iPhone. So hope you have liked this.